Dr. Chris Cooper here with Cascade Chiropractic and Wellness in Portland, Oregon. I have Jeffrey here. Jeffrey's coming to me with wonderful goals of becoming healthy, one of which includes fixing his spinal alignment and movement so that he can continue working out and doing yoga, getting more flexible, so he can play with his kids. And I love that goal. So what we're going to be doing with Jeffrey today is working on parts of his spine that are stiffer than others, parts that are unbalanced, a strip of muscle that is very tight and filled with trigger points, QL's tight, hips are shifted. We just need all this to open up. And then just an immense amount of stiffness up in the neck too. So we're going to be going top to bottom, and you can watch along and I'll kind of talk as we go. Does that sound okay?
Sounds great.
All right. So we're going to start with some muscle work. And I want to start on this muscle especially, because this is where a lot of that emanating pain that kind of radiates is coming from. So during the exam, we found the trigger point, but there's a lot of different aspects to this trigger point because it's more of a tighter band of muscle. How you doing? Is that okay?
Yep, that's good.
Okay.
A little bit harder if you like.
All right. He likes the pain. We'll bring it. I'm going to start kind of pinpointy on some of these individual knots, and then we're going to grab the big thing next. There you go. All right. I might have to go harder on this one. It's just not letting me quite in.
You can go harder. It's fine.
There you go. Woo! All right. We're jumping in. So I got my elbow right on this muscle here. And I'm using a lot of my upper body weight to push. There's different ways you could work this muscle. You can go with the fiber, up and down along the spine. Or you can go cross fiber, which would be more left and right style. Each have their different purposes.
That's starting to feel really good.
Oh, so as I was rolling through this, I could feel that tighter spot.
Yeah.
And I just put a little bit more of my weight on there. So on the other side of this table, I'm doing like a big old lunge squat. Just diving onto your muscle here. There you go. You okay?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, put this here.
It's starting to relax on us. I kind of warned Jeffrey before that he might be sore tomorrow, because we're not messing around here.
Yeah, just go for it.
We have big long-term goals. So a couple days of being sore afterwards is, if it achieves that goal faster, let's do it. Yeah. Oh yeah. You feel that thing relax?
Yeah, that was good.
Good. We're melting stuff. Let me reassess here. Okay, we got a little bit more closer to the spine. So let's dive in. Here we go. Yep. You okay?
Yep.
sir. Good, 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 good. Just go up a tiny bit. Okay, here it comes. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera, but we're moving my elbow. It's just very small movements. We're kind of in a crowded area of the spine here. Your thoracic spine has big spinous processes and ribs that attach, and so very quickly, if you push on things too close to these bony structures, it like pinches and it hurts and doesn't really help much. But if you can get the muscle belly where the actual spot is, you can create some release. You get a lot of relief.
That's feeling good what you're doing right now.
Okay. All right, come over this way. Switch sides here. So for this one, we're going to come in a lot more laterally.
Yeah,
So
that's tender, but go for it.
The pressure doesn't even really start until I find the knot. There you go. Yeah. You feel that thing?
That's much more tender, but keep doing it.
Okay. Jeffrey, you didn't tell me that you're a boss. Takes the pain.
Well, yeah, it's we got to make progress, so that's I'm all for it. So.
Okay. You okay?
Yep, you can go for it if you want.
All right. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay. So you could probably work on this for another 2 hours. But let's get some movement happening in the spine. There's this cool thing that happens when you get an adjustment, especially around an area that's tight, is it triggers a reflex to let these individual muscles relax. Let's see if we can get some of that magic today. Oops. Take a big breath in for me, please. Big breath out. Good. Let's go again. Big breath in. Big breath out. Good. Okay, good. Another one here. Big breath in. Big breath out. Alrighty. We're going to come back to this one a little bit deeper if that's all right.
Yep.
Okay, let's get some of this stuff. So lay on your side for me, please. Left hip up in the air first. We're going to bend the knee. Big tug on the bottom hand. There you go. Fold up here. Scooch you here. Let this shoulder roll backwards. There you go. So we're going to dip the knee towards the floor. Feel a big stretch in the back first. There you go. Big push. Good. Yes, roll face the other direction for me, please. Very similar. So bend this top knee. Big pull here. Fold your arms. Sit up, bicep, bicep. Good, good. Scooch a tiny bit. Okay, we're gonna hold that shoulder here. Let that hip drop. Keep going. There you go. Very nice. Let's roll face up for me, please. Okay. So give me a big bear hug. So we're going to do a couple spots. We're going to do one. I want to just see if I can get any more depth on the spot that's initially bugging.
Okay.
So lift this knee up for me. Just kind of prop it up here. Roll you here. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. Yes, sir. Okay, slide this way just a little bit. Yeah, that's plenty. Big bear hug again. Okay, big breath in. Big breath out. Yeah. There you go. You okay?
Yep. It's intense, but it's
That was a deep one.
yeah.
Okay, let those arms relax. Okay. So, see if you can see this on the camera here. As I just passively turn him, this is the end. We don't have a lot of extra motion here. But look how far he can turn this way. Can you feel a difference when I do it?
Yeah. Different.
So that imbalance is not okay. And so that's part of what we're going to be working on today too.
Okay.
Come way over here. First thing, just let the head go floppy on the cushion. There you go. And then you and I are going to practice left to right rocking. Just kind of get the muscles working with us instead of against us. There you go. Little big push.
Oh, wow. That was amazing.
Let's see if there's anything here, and then we'll recheck that motion. A little more lateral flexion on this side. So go kind of floppy for me again. We'll just kind of do that left to right rock. Good, right there.
Oh, wow. That felt more intense.
Yeah, a lot more deep. Let's see how the motion came around. Closer. That's still excellent. Okay, we're gonna do one more. Very, very low on this one. Just gonna go flop. Yeah, there you go. Good, good. All right. Okay. So after we do a Y strap pull, we'll check that that motion again.
Okay.
Okay, let's move to hips, knees, and ankles and stuff. So when we were doing the exam, I felt a little bit of extra tightness. So what I want to do is just open up some hips. Everything was aligned well. Just let that go floppy. There you go. There you go. Big long hip pull here. Good.
That was great. My big toes get kind of sore, stiff for some reason. Not all the time, but I've noticed.
Yeah, so there is a little bit of foot stuff. Let's see if we can make it move a little more free. It's gonna go floppy for me. So let me have it. There you go.
Yeah.
Good. We're gonna get some toes moving too. There it is. Right there.
Yeah. Fantastic.
Kind of both sides on the toes, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. One more big hip pull here. So go floppy again. There you go. Good. All right.
Wow.
Now for the main attraction. We're gonna get this Y strap set up. So lift your head up for me, please, and let that come back down. All right. So we're gonna check, make sure we're not pinching cheeks and ears. Make sure it feels okay before we do our big pull. Anything pinching or feel?
No, that's fine.
Okay. So we're gonna do a 30-second hold. Let it stretch, kind of just breathe through it. We'll get the spine kind of moving, and we'll do a big long pull, okay?
Teeth closed. I'm assuming.
We'll let the jaw relax. If it's feeling like it's pinching on your jaw, you don't have to be clenchy, but you also don't have to worry about it too much. Since we don't have the strap going around your chin, it's probably not going to jam or accidentally bite your tongue or anything. All right, here we go. Stretch first. Okay, we're just hanging out. Good. So let that stretch, good. Add a little bit of wiggle. Good, and a big pull.
Wow.
Good job.
That was intense.
Yeah, hang tight just a second. Okay, have a sit up here for me, please. How you feeling?
Fantastic. It's much different than it looks on the videos.
Yeah.
It's very intense.
Yeah.
But I feel relief. Like I generally feel a lightness. It's really great.
Good. Let's check that motion again. So turn your head. Turn your head. Good. A lot more equal. Take a step around. See how the hips feel. See how that back feels. See how that spot in the mid back feels.
It's fantastic. It's a lot better. I just feel a little bit more. I can stand up straighter, and I just feel a little bit less stable when I walk.
Cool. Good. So the spots that we were digging on,
Yeah.
I would almost guarantee it's going to be sore tomorrow.
Okay.
Maybe like a muscle soreness, heat it or ice it, whatever you need. But the more you move, the better it's going to be.
Awesome.
The last thing that muscle wants to do is go sit on the couch.
Okay.
So yoga it up. Don't feel like you're fragile. Go to town.
Okay.
Move that muscle. Get it used to moving in a good posture, in a good alignment, in a good range of motion.
Okay.
Is that all right?
Sounds good.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for letting us film. I'll see you guys next time.